Good morning. Another building in Florida episode. We have the second floor framing going on. Apologize, the job does look a bit like a mess, but they had a big storm show up yesterday late with no notice, so kind of dropped everything and bailed. So they'll get it cleaned up today. So exterior walls framed, trusses up, most of them. What you see is girder truss there, strapped, through bolted. Trusses connections at the walls, strapped over, tied down to top plates. Inside the walls, threaded rod. Yeah. Goes from the bottom. Let's go from the top. Let's go the right way. Down to the bottom. And everything is then strapped at the bottom. So you can see uplift is a main concern here. So by doing certain things like this, we'll keep the roof on this house in a hurricane. And when they start sheeting the roof, they have special nailing requirements, 16 penny nails, 6 inches on center for the first row of plywood to keep it from lifting off. So we'll keep going. I'll get back to you guys in a couple more days. Thanks.